What do you guys want to know from me?
I came to New York to study at Manhattan School of Music.
It didn't really last me long. I took an advanced standing, and then there was a
Job call
for
a substitute pianist at New York Theater Ballet. And that was the beginning of my track record with the ballet. I have spent
A lot of my...
I'm not that young anymore.
I'm 35 plus.
Meandering around in my 20s.
I was hanging out with my friends. I wasn't really practicing. I didn't really put in the hours. I did actually practice, but it was not the kind of a quality practice that I now know.
So it was just...
Mindless.
So anyway, being in a ballet helped me because then
And I have to learn so much repertoire.
in a short amount of time.
And I have to just be on the piano,
If I'm doing classes, that means that I'm...
replaying some of the pieces that I've already know.
and that's just kind of like
My practice of trying to make it.
It's a little bit better each and every time.
So it made me practice.